And then what you gonna say? Gaan kam je hare. Sê vir wat ek my hare gaan kam. Ek lus nie vir hare kam nie. Vandag lus ek vir wiskunde praat. Wiskunde, technology, science, physics, quantum physics, different sorts of mathematics, not just the math that you know, math lit and pure math. There's other types of math as well. Then I said, hulle weet nie waarvan hulle praat nie. Hulle sê jy's mal. Hulle sê jy gebruik die terms wat AI vir jou gee en dan sê jy vir hulle dit. Jy het 'n goeie memory. Say thank you for the compliment. At least you gave me a compliment. At least I'm capable of reading. Because ek het die skool uit gedrop toe ek graad 10 was. Ek het die graad 10 klaar gemaak en sê my highest grade pass is grade 9. En hulle dink ek het matriek. Toe sê ek waar? Ek het nog nooit matriek gehaal nie. Hulle het vir my genei van die skoolbank af. Yes, van die skoolbank af. Nadat ek gesê het ek verstaan 'n fokkie vir Pythagoras. Pythagoras is the reason I dropped out of school. Hulle het eers my kon soekie. Hulle het eers kon kyk nadat ek gesê het ek was abused. Toe kyk hulle nie eens waar is ek nie. They didn't come check where am I after I said that I was being sexually abused. Never once did someone come check up on me. Is that how little you think of your school children? Of the future leaders of tomorrow? Of the future entrepreneurs of tomorrow? Of the future politicians of tomorrow? Of the future preachers of tomorrow? Is dit wat jy dink? And then you do exactly the same thing to my brother. Dieselfde ding. After 2 weeks, my ma weet nog daar. After 2 weeks, he didn't attend school. You decide to take him off the books. Hy is nou klaar met die skool. No intervention, no offer of counseling, no investigation, nothing at all. Niks. I can't understand. How can you say that education, matric, and what else not is important, but you do not encourage anyone to study? I haven't heard of any opportunities around here. You know how opportunity is spread. Ek sit eendag by die kliniek nou hoor, ek weet die man sê, if you have grade 12, go to the civic. They have bursary for to grade 12. No SMS, no email, no formal letter, nothing. So only one person or two people out of that entire group actually heard what he said. And what is the likelihood that they know someone? And what is the high likelihood that they're going to remember? So how are you going to get your information and your opportunities to the right people? Because yes, you provide it, but you do not share it. You do not advertise the opportunities. You do not advertise the services that you actually have. You provide them, but you make it so difficult to get to that service or to get to that product. And by the time you get to the second last step, you are tired. Because you've been sent from this post to that post to that post to elke post wat jy nou wil gedink het, jy gaan nou regkom, toe kon jy nie reg doen, jy nou voel jy nou regkom, toe goed jy op as jy hulle thank you. We save that money. Ons spaar reg geld en ons is fucking lui. Ons hou nie van papierwerkie. Where AI is there for you. Artificial intelligence is there for you. You don't even have to write anymore. You don't even have to use your fucking brain anymore. But don't forget, critical thinking skills are very important. And don't forget, divergent thinking is what they are looking for. Anyway, so as ons nog 'n tikkie sak. As ons. Okay, let's type right. Ask me why I say you are useless. The Matrix Rehabilitation Center cannot help me. Do you know why they cannot help me? Because I said I would like to go inpatient rehab. I would like to go to inpatient rehabilitation because I feel like that's the best way for me forward. And then the therapist was like, but where's your husband? And then I said, what if my husband is actually abusing me? And I wanted to get away from him. Because I don't have a mother anymore. I don't have a father. I don't have sisters to depend on, just like they don't have me to depend on. But anyway, I don't have anyone to depend on. I don't have a husband to depend on. My husband has to take care of our children. He has to take care of his mother. He has to take care of his father. So we don't actually have any sort of relationship, no sexual relationship, nothing. I was just talking nonsense. We don't. But anyway, my my point is this, that you need to do your job. And your job is to do what you said you're going to do. But from what I see around me is one generational curse after another. And then you call it a curse. Or you say it's a stereotype for colors, it's a stereotype for blacks, this, it's that. But you forget that you are as responsible and not as responsible as me, because I did not make an oath. I did not promise a country anything. I did not promise one person that I will provide them a job, or I will make sure that they are safe, or I will make sure that their basic needs are taken care of. I will make sure that they have a house. I never made those promises. You made those promises. So don't hold me accountable for anything other than being myself. I'm accountable for me. I'm accountable for my actions. And I take accountability. But I do not take accountability for my life, for all the bad that's come my way, because no one deserves anything bad that comes their way. Sometimes we need it, but we don't deserve it. Anyway, so as a child, I don't want to bother you with my childhood history of how cuck it was, because there were good times as well. There were good times, but it was horrible. It was horrible. Sexual molestation is actually abuse. Even though his penis did not go inside of me, doesn't mean that I wasn't abused. And a 15-year-old and a 35-year-old, no, that doesn't make sense. Why? Why? And if I had the physical backup, the physical security to protect a child, I would actually do it. As jou ma vir my klap, vir jou klap vir my, dan sal ek jou ma moer as ek kan gemoer het. But ek kan nie, because ek is 'n poes. Ek kan nie meer baklei nie. I can't fight. Actually, I don't like to fight, because I'm scared of violence. Since I started to use drugs, I've actually become more sensible, more careful, more understanding, more open-minded, more thoughtful. A lot of more as I became. I became more when I started using drugs, not less. But anyway, daai is my sentjie vir vandag. Ek dink ek is klaar gedink. Nie klaar gedink, ek klaar gepraat, klaar gepreek. I just want you to know that I do care about the world. Even though the world doesn't care about me. People judge me, they say, I'm a druggie, whatever the hell. I am a slut, I'm a whore, I'm a whorgees. I said that myself anyway. But I do care about the world. And I often journal about what is safe for this world, what is wrong with this world. And then I look at myself and I say, you know what? I'm something good in this world. Something good. Because even though life has been cuck to me, I've recently come to know myself. I've come to know myself, and I've come to realize that I'm actually not a bad person. I'm quite caring, quite understanding, quite straightforward, full of shit, not perfect, but really I do care. And the reason I stay out of the lives of my children is because I want them to have what I did not have. They have a family, They have good role models. They have great fathers. They have support in their education. They have support from their family. They have support from their friends. They have extracurricular activities that they can do. They have all the opportunities that I did not have when I was a child. And even though they have it because they're out of the area, right? People and children in this area still don't have that type of support. They don't have any support. They don't have any after school activities. I'm talking specifically about suburban in Delft. There's nothing going on here for our children. Nothing at all. I've never seen one official around here. There's never been one survey done to ask, is any service being delivered? Is any changes being made? Do you see any progress? Because they say the city works for you. Then I said, no, you work for the fucking city. I said, oh, me. I don't work for the fucking city. No, I don't. Ik wil looking. You know why? Just humanity. Humanity. The police has no humanity. Nor do soldiers. Do you know that I had to defend my life yesterday to a gangster that I don't even know? I don't know this guy from Ginkanta. But my heart said, be open and be honest, and everything will be okay. What happened? Everything is okay. So, at the end of the day, is nog nie die einde van die dag nie. Ek is nog nie klaar nie. Then they said, amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Then I said, I'm almost done. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river. Got peace like a river in my soul. I've got joy like a fountain. I've got joy like a fountain. I've got joy like a fountain in my soul. Smile a while and keep your face away. Raise your hand to the one you love the best.